in the backwaters. Our guest house has arranged it for us. I think we're going to take a big ferry and then transfer to a canoe. I think that's the deal. So yeah, we're really excited about that. It's early in the morning, it's just 8:30, early in the morning for us anyway. And we're going to be on our way in a little while. We're just on our way now to get some breakfast with our guide. This is his village where he lives, so I think his wife is going to be cooking us some breakfast, which will be really nice. It's actually really good on that taxi if you haven't got the money to do the big tour. This has cost us about 100 New Zealand dollars, which is about 70 American dollars, £50. But if you haven't got that sort of money, then go on that taxi. It's brilliant. You just go up and down all day, and it's literally 20 rupees. So that'd be a great thing to do too. Just got off the boat. We've been on there 4 hours now, and we've had loads of ice cream and coconut water, cups of tea, coffee. It's been great actually. And we're just going to get off. Anthony's wife Maria is going to cook us lunch, so we're having some fresh fish, and then you get back on the boat and just do a few more hours. It's so relaxing. It's absolutely gorgeous, just lovely scenery, just watching all the village life. It's really, really lovely. Kids have just been reading their Kindles and just relaxing. Yeah, couldn't recommend it more. It's been lovely. So we're all back now. It's been a really full-on day. You start early in the morning and we didn't get back till gone 4. But it's been fantastic. It was worth every penny. It was great. Just a quick tip for you: on the way back, you'll probably have to get the city taxi if they drop you off and you have to get back to Alleppey. Don't sit upstairs because they try and charge you extra, and it's quite a lot extra too. So if you're on a budget like we are, stay sitting downstairs. What's it? Oh, and the other thing is, don't get the houseboat, because there are just loads of them. It doesn't look very personal. They're just all over the main waterway. Whereas if you get the canoe, they can go down the little riverways, you know, the little waterways. You get to see all the family life. It's just far more peaceful and relaxing. So I'd really recommend that. And don't forget to take a book for the kids, because they can just sit there and relax. Okay, I'm gonna go have my rum and coke. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, bye.